Get your camera on it. Get your camera on it.
Alright.
Go. Look at it. I think I know what this is. He's here. He's here. Hi, I'm Bleachy.
Bleachy, you're facing the wrong way. Camera's over here.
Off. I'm filming the intro here.
But you're facing the wrong way. Camera's right here.
Oh my Shut up, okay? Let me do me. Alright. Hi, I'm Bleachy, and today I've been rudely interrupted. But I think we stumbled on another mysterious creature, the infamous Banana Man. One hasn't been spotted in millions of years, but I have reason to believe one is here. Come with me as we try to find this creature. Let's go.
Hey, cameraman here. You know, part man, part camera. This time, I think Bleachy actually gone batshit crazy. Cause, I mean, we're a nature show. You kind of think we'd be hunting like a tiger, lion, a crocodile, something like that. But no, we're hunting a fruit. You know, fruit, the thing you eat, we're actually hunting that. I hope this show gets canceled. I really do. Bleachy,
Yo, what's up?
is my whole job just a one big joke?
Why would you say that?
I mean, think of all the things we've hunted. A killer clown, and now a killer fruit. Like, what's next? A pebble that kills you now?
You know those exist, right? And they're all real problems.
I...
Don't doubt the nature man. You're a cameraman, not a nature man. Do you understand that?
A killer pebble? Really?
Those exist.
Whatever you say. I mean, just think though, like, what are the chances a killer banana man is gonna be in these woods?
Pretty high. Did you not just see that back there?
You ate a banana.
Yeah, but that's a banana. I
Yeah,
already saw one.
you could buy bananas
That
anywhere.
one was just a baby. What do you think?
I think you just found a banana. That's what I think.
Shut up. Keep filming. I'm going to replace you. I'm going to replace you. You see that? You see that? You see it?
How?
I told you.
Just...
Don't ever doubt me. I'm always right. You see that? It's him.
No way.
People have not seen that in thousands of years. Probably even millions.
Are you kidding me? How is there a banana man here?
Shh. Stay quiet. He's doing some sort of ritual dance or something. Look at me, he's a fucking monster.
How is he a monster?
Are you seeing the same thing I'm seeing?
Yes, I am. He's dancing.
Do you not understand anything?
He's a jolly old banana. Look at that. How is that murderous at all?
Alright,
In the
alright.
slightest.
Alright, go say hi to him. Go say hi to him.
Alright, I will. You know what? Take the camera. Take the camera.
I'm not even a cameraman.
Yeah, I know you aren't. I'm probably more of a nature expert than you, Bleachy. I'll show you. He's just a banana. I hate this job. job, always making me stuff. See? Look at it. He's just dancing. See? He's not even doing anything, Bleachy. Look at him. He is not doing.
I'll do it. Get the fuck out of the bush, Bleachy. I'll fucking do it.
Do as he
Fuck,
says.
kill him.
Do as he says. God, help me.
I'll fucking kill him. Get your ass over here, Bleachy.
I don't even care if he dies. And he's knocked out. And the Banana Man's gone. Banana Man! Where is he going? Where is he going? Where did he go?
My nest. Oh, yeah, you wanna fucking eat my kids? I'll eat you. Yeah, I gotta get the fucking eating utensils. Cameraman. Cameraman, what the fuck? What? The banana. Oh, God. Where did he go? That's his kid.
You telling me every time I've eaten a banana in my life, I ate someone's baby?
Wait, you eat bananas?
Yes, I eat bananas because I'm a normal person.
You sicko! Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Get the camera out, man. Oh my God. I'm taking these bananas.
What are you gonna do with them?
You'll see. Let's go kill this fucker.
What's that?
Dead baby, I guess.
Our hats. Right, come on, man.
No,
You see this? You see your baby?
No, Gerald, you was my favorite.
Fuck you, Banana Man! Don't fuck with me! Let's go.
What a poor soul. Oh my God. I guess let's go.
Well, I didn't kill him, but... Hey! I'm trying to film the outro!
You killed my son!
You see my face? I don't care. didn't kill him. I messed with his brain a little bit, and I feel like that's a lot worse than death. And join me in the next episode of Bleachy's Nature segment.